Hurry up! Our train leaves in 5 minutes!
I am running as fast as I can, Ethan! My little legs are tired, Mom.
Look, this is our train! Get in quickly!
Are you sure this is the right platform? Yes, yes! There is no time to check.
Whew, we finally made it just in time.
The train is moving! Bye-bye, station!
See? I told you we wouldn't miss it. Excuse me, sir. These tickets are for London.
Yes. Is this train not going to London?
No, sir. This train is going to Paris. Oh no, Paris? But we don't have our passports!
Ethan, how could you make such a huge mistake?
Yay! Are we going to see the Eiffel Tower now?
Don't worry. There is a small station coming up next.
Can we catch a train back to London from there?
Yes, but you will have to wait for 2 hours. Well, here we are in the middle of nowhere.
Dad, there are cute little sheep on the hill! At least the countryside air is very fresh here.
Let's have some hot tea and relax while we wait.
I am really sorry for this train mistake, guys.
Don't worry, Dad. This cookie is delicious.
The next train back to London arrives at exactly 2 o'clock.
Are you completely sure it stops at this platform, Ethan? Look, the map has little drawings of trees.
I hear a train! It is coming right now!
Oh, thank goodness. Please let this be the right one.
Let's double check the sign on the front this time.
Excuse me, is this train definitely going to London?
Yes, ma'am!
Straight to London Central Station.
Hooray! The nightmare is finally over! We made it to London! No more Paris mistakes!
This was definitely the craziest journey we ever had.
Next time, I promise I will check the platform twice. Let's catch a taxi before it starts to rain!
Dad, are you sure we are getting into a taxi and not a submarine? Toby is making sure we don't make another mistake.
The city looks so beautiful at night.
Look, Mom, the lights are dancing on the glass.
Yes, it is good to be back in our own city.
Finally, our sweet, sweet home.
Here are the keys. We are officially home, everyone.
And no more traveling for at least a week.
We wanted an adventure, and we certainly got one.
The best part of any journey is coming back home.
And the best part is we have a funny story to tell. I am way too tired to cook dinner tonight.
No problem. Let's order a big cheese pizza.
Yes! With extra pepperoni, please, Dad.
Ah, this pizza is absolutely delicious.
Look at the cheese stretch, Mom. This is 1,000 times better than train food. Mom, how do you spell the word mistake?
It is M-I-S-T-A-K-E, my little writer. Our big train mistake is now a beautiful story.
Dad, look! What is this brown leather bag?
Wait, that is not our bag. Where did it come from?
Maybe it fell into our suitcase on the train.
Oh my, that looks like a very expensive antique watch.
Look at this engraving. It has the railway logo on it.
Is it a magic time travel watch, Dad?
Ethan, look! There is a name card inside the pouch.
Oh, it belongs to the kind ticket conductor from yesterday.
Yes, the nice man who helped us on the train.
Hello, Mr. Conductor. We found your beautiful pocket watch. Oh, thank goodness. It was my grandfather's watch.
Our worst train mistake turned into the best surprise.
He is coming to our city next week to collect it.
That's wonderful! We mustn't fried flag yet!
We can make the special magic strawberry juice.
Mr. Conductor! Welcome to our home!
Hello, little traveler. It is so good to see you again. Welcome, sir. Please come inside. Thank you so much. You have saved my most precious memory.
We are just so happy it reached you safely. Wow! Can I open this beautiful blue box now? Look, Dad! It is a tiny model of the Paris train!
This train will never take you to the wrong station. This is officially the best train mistake we ever made.
Please eat as much as you like, Mr. Conductor.
Oh, everything looks absolutely delicious. Thank you.
My mom is the best cook in the whole world! And here is our special magic strawberry juice.
Wow, thank you. It looks like a pink cloud.
It is cold and sweet, just like magic.
Thank you for the wonderful day. I must go now. Safe travels, my friend. Please visit us again.
Goodbye, Mr. Conductor. I will practice my train spelling. Look, Mom, my train is arriving at London Station.
Today was a truly wonderful day.
Yes, a perfect ending to our crazy train adventure. Look, everyone, I am checking our next tickets with a magnifying glass.
Are you sure the destination says London this time? Dad, please don't send us to Antarctica by mistake. And here is the picture of our best friend, the conductor. This diary is filled with our most wonderful adventure, Toby. I love our crazy family adventures, Mom.